How to fix registration error on Grindr. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix registration error on Grindr. Well, if you get a registration error on Grindr, what you can do is you can try using a different email address or sign up method like Google or Facebook. Now, Grindr registration errors may also occur if Grindr is not allowed in your country or your IP address is banned. So you might want to check it out on that. What you can do is you can use VPN. You can download VPN from Play Store and enable VPN and then try registering it. However, if it isn't the issue, then what you can do is you can ensure that you're using the latest version of the Grindr app, whether you are on Android or iOS. You can go ahead and restart your device, or you can force close Grindr as well, which is a basic solution for every app error. So you can head into settings, head into apps option. Under apps, you want to look in for Grindr. So once you open up Grindr, scroll down, head into storage, tap on clear data and clear cache. In my case, I haven't opened up the app yet, so it's not showing up. But that is how you can fix the registration error on Grindr. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.